Good morning, everyone. So, I am Jasmine H. Casas. You know, being a Filipino isn't just about where we come from. It's about values that lives in the heart, values that shape how we see ourselves and how we connect to other people. So today, I want to share a little bit story how these Filipino values have guided me, inspired me, and continue to shape my journey. The Filipino values that I learned as a Filipino is first, the family. Family is the most important values that I treasure the most because for me, family comes first because they are the one who cared for you in the first place, the one who love you, and the one who support you in the first place in your first journey until you succeed. And bayanihan, the spirit of communal unity and cooperation taught me the importance of helping others and working together towards a common goal. Like for example, when the earthquake hit, the Filipino living Cebu North, like in Bago City, were really affected because their houses and buildings were really damaged. Many died and the roads were also damaged. And most importantly, they really need food and water. Then the people in the south and the French region and cities were giving aid like in Davao City. Like they were delivering aid to the people of Bogo, and then any different bloggers and influencers and artists were giving aid also. And then there were also a student or volunteer student in different school help to repack rice, canned goods, and noodles. And then, during the strong type of Tino, there was a man named J-Boy, a 15 years old, who saved over 50 lives in Villa Lara, Hubay, Liloan, Cebu. All, um, you imagine, all he had was a lifesaver and a small boat. Despite the strong flood, he still went out to rescue stranded residents, including the children, pregnant women, and the elderly. After his rescue, other after siya na-rescue is other visitors nag-offer og mga money as a pasasalamat para niya. But wala niya gidawat. His act wasn't driven by reward, it was pure compassion and courage. So, and lastly, pakikipagkapwa-tao or treating others with respect and dignity has shaped my interaction and instilled in my sense of empathy. Treating other people with respect and equal in terms of circumstances. Or kanang unsayahan kayong pobre dato or sa basta respect other people with dignity ang respect. Bayanihan is helping others without kanang in return or wala reward nga babalik pa nimo. Being a Filipino for me is a deeply personal connection to a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and values. It's about cherishing the warmth of family gatherings, where laughter and stories intertwine with the aroma of traditional dishes. It's the heartfelt hospitality we extend to every visitors, making them feel like they have come home. It is the profound respect I hold for my elders, seeking their wisdom and guidance. As I navigate life journey, it's also it's also about embracing the Kapwa spirit, understanding that we all are connected, and finding strength in our shared identity despite all challenges. It's about facing the world with resilience, humor, and unyielding sense of hope, all while honoring the rich heritage passed down through generation. And to understand better, I want to share the salwikain that truly captures the essence of me, of my identity. I choose the proverb that kung walang tiyaga, walang nilaga. I choose it because I believe that to be successful in life, you must be hard work, patience, and dedication are really necessary. Hard work is something that must be done, succeed, but it must be done in the right way without hurting other people. Like for example, you are working student so that you have you have a extra income. You can just keep asking for your mother. You can patient. When you are tired, you feel like giving up. You are tired because there are many challenges that have come, but you still pursue or you still doing that imo gyapon gipadayon. And dedication is doing everything for your family, to your inspiration, that you be able to handle everything for your mother, for your family, para masuklian ang ilang gipang buhat para nimo. If you want to be successful in life, but you are lazy about your work, school or work, you won't be succeed if that's your fault. But if you have a spirit of hard work, patience, and dedication, that's all you need to be successful in life. As I pursue my future profession, I will carry on my journey the values and I treasure the most, like the family who becomes my inspiration to be successful in the career journey I want. Bayanihan will inspire me to collaborate with my colleagues and contribute to a supportive work environment. The pakikipagkapwa-tao will guide my interaction with people and ensure that I treat everyone with respect and empathy. The saying that I believe, kung is walang tiyaga, walang nilaga, will motivate me to persevere through challenges and strive for excellence in my field. So that's all. And before I end my video, so as we move forward, my personal challenge to you, or as we move forward in our journey, my powerful challenge to you, my future student of my Filipinos, that we never forget the value that make us who we are. Embrace the bayanihan, help others without expecting in return. Pakikipagkapwa-tao, treat people with respect and equality. And always remember that with perseverance, we can overcome challenge. And always remember the proverb sa lawikaing, kung walang tiyaga, walang nilaga. Let's carry values with us as we step into our future profession or journey and make a positive impact in the world together. Let's build a stronger, more compassionate Philippines. Thank you and thank you for listening to my videos and have a good day. Goodbye.